With Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, you'll get a wealth of available benefits that help you better understand your autoclaves inside and out. And we have a multitude of resources available to help you, like our various resources for Midmark sterilizers that are available to anyone, customer or not, for free at any time. For one, our Midmark resource tab has user manuals and technical guides for all your Midmark autoclaves that come straight from the manufacturer. We also have Midmark video tab, which houses our collection of various videos about all things Midmark. Things like autoclave overviews, tutorials, troubleshooting, and more. Then there's the PM checklist tab to view the digital preventative maintenance checklists to ensure your Midmark devices are properly maintained. And like our other resources, this library is always expanding. With all these resources at your fingertips, SAS guarantees that you'll find exactly what you need when you need it. And if you have any questions, just give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3, for our free tech support line. If you'd like to view any of the mentioned resources, you can find them all using the links in the description. And as we mentioned before, all of our resources are available to anyone at any time for free, customer or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe.